You've probably read, or maybe learned the hard way like I did, that you can't formulate stable cleansers with gorgeous ingredients like coconut milk, raw botanicals, and colorful clays because they're just so prone to sprouting mold. But here's the thing, you can. You just need to know how. And thankfully, the answer isn't formulating in a sterile vacuum or a weapons-grade preservative. It's an easy, inexpensive, and slightly magical formulation strategy used by luxury brands like Clinique, Tatcha, Dermalogica, and Kiehl's to create best-selling products with beautiful ingredients like clay, rice, oatmeal, and vitamin C. And it's not just the inclusion of hard-to-preserve ingredients that feels like magic. These cleansers start out as a rather boring powder, but when you mix them with water, they instantly transform into a bubbly, creamy cleanser right in your hand. That powder-to-foam magic is actually really easy to harness for your own formulations. And it's so versatile that it can be used to create cleansers for the whole body. Facial polishes, body washes, shampoos, and more, all using ingredients that you've been told are impossible to preserve. I've been formulating cleansers this way for over a decade now, and I recently did a behind-the-scenes deep dive to really push the limits and figure out answers for questions that can't be Googled. I've learned a lot about what works and what doesn't. I figured out how to make cleansers that don't leave a mess in my sink, or worse, in my pipes, and I've had just a ton of fun doing it. And now, I want to share all of that sudsy sorcery with you so you can start creating your very own bubbly facial cleansers, shampoos, body washes, and more. So on November 10th, 2024 at 1 p.m. Mountain, 3 p.m. Eastern, I'll be holding a live 110-minute digital workshop that'll show you how to formulate completely custom powder-to-foam cleansers for the whole body using impossible to preserve ingredients. In the workshop, you'll start to create your very first powder-to-foam formulation from the ground up, and we'll go through everything you need so you can begin formulating the sudsy cleansers of your dreams. Powder-to-foam cleansers are truly the easiest and most versatile cleanser you can make. They are perfect for beginners, but there's also lots for more experienced makers to really sink their teeth into. I've been teaching online for over a dozen years and have also taught around the world at live events like the Handcrafted Soap and Cosmetic Guild Annual Conference, the Mother Earth News Fair, and the Australian Soaping and Candle Conference. This is going to be my second live digital workshop, and I'm so excited to get deep into the bubbles with all of you, no matter where you live. I'm also including a completely free powder-to-foam formulation cheat sheet as a bonus. This super helpful PDF is packed with formulation guidelines, troubleshooting help, must-have ingredients, substitution information, my favorite suppliers, and more. And if you sign up before the live, I'm throwing in an extra gift that'll really accelerate your formulating journey. So hurry. If you want to grab that extra free gift and take advantage of the live Q&A after the workshop, you've got to be at the live event. The workshop will be available to purchase and rewatch on demand afterwards, but you'll miss out on having your sudsy questions answered. I am so excited to share this with you. Click the link below to learn more and book your space, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Happy making!